Hey guys, Jacob from Trucks and Toys. We've just finished off this build on this brand new Ram 2500 Limited. So this truck, we've supplied the truck and fitted the accessories pre-delivery. Now this customer's from WA, so what we've done, sorted the truck, done all the accessories, now we're going to send it back to WA on a truck for him. So we'll do a quick walk around of what we've done. At the front, being a Limited, this is usually chrome, so what we've done is colour coded around the grille black to give it that sports appearance. We've done the Trailready pre-runner bar, a usual lighting combo of the 30-inch rigid, 6-inch road vision, blinker parkers. Now this guy's only running a 12,000 pound Warn winch at the front, GME, UHF and aerial. If you come around the side, it's got our progressive rate springs, Fox 2.5s for that awesome ride across corrugations or any sort of rough road. Pocket flares to cover the wider offset wheels. Now we've done something a little bit different than the usual Mickey Thompson. We're running the Nitto ridge grapplers in a 35 with the Method NV wheels. Come around the side, this is a Limited, so it's factory electric side steps, all the leather and all the safety features inside, like the 360 camera, lane change, active cruise, all that sort of stuff. Around the back, now what you can't see on this truck, it's running twin ARB front and rear diff locks, long range fuel tank under the rear, and our twin dual battery system on underneath the guard on each side, so it doesn't take any of the ram box or the tub. So they're lithiums with a red arc BCDC and a 2000 watt inverter behind the rear seat. So self-eye on the back we've mounted, and a few other little bits and pieces. So if you're not in New South Wales and you want to build a Ram, give us a call and we send all around Australia.